Hi everyone, this is Dave, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at the TC-Helicon Perform V. The Perform V from TC-Helicon offers professional sounds at your fingertips for singers, and this is what the product packaging looks like. If we turn this over, it just details some of the main features. We've got time-tested vocals including reverb, echo and double. We've got automatic microphone input gain. We've got an adaptive tone. We've also got an anti-feedback control, and we've also got the option to actually store some presets on this. And in addition, there's also a Perform V application available for iOS and Google Android devices, which allows you to actually choose from hundreds of sounds and beam them to this device. Inside the box, we get a quick start guide. We also get a mini USB to full-size USB cable. This is to perform updates on the unit. And we also get a power adapter, which plugs into your main supply and then in turn plugs into the back of the unit itself. This is the actual Perform V, and it's very well presented and a really ruggedly built unit. Great build quality here. We've got the option here to actually mount it onto a stand, and we've also got all of the rubberized buttons on the front. I'll tell you what these do in a short while. If we look on the front, we've got an output socket for a pair of headphones. During this test, I'm going to be running this direct to my camera so you get to hear how this sounds. If we look on the sides, they're pretty clear, apart from obviously the stand piece here for putting it onto a microphone stand or an instrument stand. And then round the back is where we've got all of the various inputs and outputs. We've got a Kensington lock, so we can tether this down to a desk or to a stand. We've got the input for the power supply. We've got a mini USB connection for updating the unit. We've got an auxiliary input, a pedal input, and also an XLR microphone input and output as well. So now we've got this plugged into the mains, and you'll see that most of the buttons light up by default. We can see which preset we're on by pushing either 1, 2 or 3. And we can also use these other buttons to control 48 volt phantom power to the XLR input. We've also got a pitch control, an anti-feedback control and a tone control. We've also got a microphone set here, and you initially set your microphone gain by holding this down for 2 seconds and talking into your microphone. Then we've got the double, reverb and echo controls, and again you can control the amount of these effects by holding down the button and then turning the rotary dial. So here we're increasing the actual echo that's going to be placed onto our voice. We've also got a headphone volume control here, and again we push this and we can control the volume of the headphone output. We've got a tap button here, and this is used in combination with perhaps the echo effect, where we can actually tap in time to our music beat and the echo effect will match that particular rhythm. We've also got a talk button just here. So now I've switched over to the microphone that I've got plugged into the XLR input on the back of the Perform V. And I've currently got the talk button pressed in, so this is why it's coloured red, so you should be hearing just my voice without any effects added. And I've done some presets already, so I'm going to tap the talk button, and now you should be hearing some reverb on my voice. And I can tap preset number 2, where I've added echo to that as well, so now you should be hearing a combination of reverb and echo. And then on preset 3, I've just got double set up. So this gives you an idea of how it actually alters your voice, and you can imagine if you are a singer, how you'd be able to use this in your performances. Now if I want to take double off and put echo on, I can push the button, but if I hold it in, I can actually increase the amount of echo. So now you should be hearing a lot more echo on my voice. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please do hit that like button, and I'll see you in another video very soon.